How to choose the right course for you. So most of the people are getting confused and which course to choose, and maybe they are going to some success stories, they are going with some advertisements only. But before you are going to the choosing a course, there are some points you have to find this. Example, so you have to be decide the job first, not particularly like a tool. Example, you want to become a data analyst, not like you want to learn a Power BI. You want to become a front-end developer or back-end developer or full-stack developer, not like a only Python or Java or something. You want to become a data engineer, not like a Azure engineer, AWS, cloud or something. So you have to be decide the job first, not the course. Wrong approach like a want to learn Power BI, Python or a trending concept. But right approach will be learn data analytics or data engineer or cloud engineer or cloud architect. This will be the right way to approach the course. So and also course should be come from the job role, not from the YouTube hype. So not many people like we are just uploading in the YouTube. There are content including multiple people, right? So AI example, AI will be trending. It's not about just that one. We have to be find out your background as well. So any background people can able to learn anything, but initially you are comfortable with that skill set or not, you have to validate. Example, when you are not that much confident or comfort with the learning coding, you are not at all interested with the coding, then to avoid the coding kind of courses. Who are not interested to learn coding, go with the data analytics, go with the Power Platform, go with the testing, go with the low coding technologies. Example, if you are interested with the coding, yes, you can learn data engineering, you can learn Python, you can learn Java, you can go with the full stack. So, unless you are interested with the infrastructure things like cloud, DevOps. So, if you are comfortable to learn those concepts, you can choose those kind of things. And you are more interested with the logics, business analyst will be choose them, right? So, everyone cannot become everything, guys. So, we have to be choose what is the right for your from which aspects you are comfortable with those skill set. So you have to be choose only from that point, not about the hype in the market, not about the from the advertisements. So while choosing any course, first go with the how much skills they are teaching and first attend couple of sessions. If you are really comfortable with what the trainer explaining to you, then only you can go and join that course. And if they mention like you will give the certifications, so certification won't help you. So it depends on the how the skills matter, not the certification. Certification just to make it the resume to showcase it. That's it. But if you don't have a proper skill set, just even though you have 100 certification, it's not a value for that profile, right? So you have to make choose skills, how depth they are teaching, what the trainer's profile. So what the trainer capability and attend the classes, even though the trainer capability like a 20 years of experience and he had many certifications, he given the many workshops and that, but still if you are not liking the classes, so it's no use. So first attend the classes and understand how they are explaining, right? So at least you have to find out that particular technology, how many tools they are teaching. Example in data analytics, only with the Power BI you can't get a job. Only in data engineering also, only by learning some basic Azure concepts and some Python concepts, you won't get it. What industry expecting all the skill set you have to be adding that particular course, then only you can able to become either data analyst or data engineer. So at least you can check with them. There are at least 3 to 4 projects including in your course. It should be like a real-time project, so not like just some small dummy set. So real-time project in the sense, no one can give the real-time what happening exactly in the company, the same data set they can't give it to you, but at least the similar kind of problem statement, what happening. If they are real-time trainers, that means they are already working in some other companies and just they are coming here as a part-time lectures. From them you can learn more, not as a full-time trainers. They left their job in a couple of years back, just completely focused their career only on training. They are outdated, to be honest. Like they are not aware like what exactly happened yesterday in company. Instead of that, if they are working professionals, so what happened in their company, what happened in their project yesterday, they can able to explain better way in your classroom. So it will help you more to understand the real-time problem statement and case studies. Or else they are also will be outdated. So I will tell you some checklist here, like what you have to be choosing before choosing any course or any trainer or any institution. So check it like these are live classes or just a self-paced classes. There are real-time projects or else tell me examples and there is no real-time project, just they are giving theoretical knowledge, they are not going to be assignments or something, you have to be checking. Trainer industry experience, you can check it, but just experience won't matter, you have to check his quality of teaching. Example, there is a trainer have a 20 years experience, still he was failed to deliver because he was not that much comfortable to deliver to you. He was not able to explain in better ways, and there is no use for it. So check the trainer experience and check the trainer way of teaching also. Some institutions they will tell you why they will give the demo of one trainer and later they will change the multiple trainers. Check it how many trainers going to be take entire course. So what their experience, and check if any videos, if they don't have a live demo, check at least their videos if any available, so that you can able to get an idea before joining any course. And after post course completion, what kind of support they are going to give? Placement assistance. Placement assistance means what is check it exactly what they can able to. They are helping with the resume building. Are they helping with the Naukri profile optimization? Are they helping with the LinkedIn profile optimization? Are they helping with the Git calls? Are they have any tie-ups? So tie-ups won't work every time, but still you can check with them. So what kind of the placement assistance they are going to give? Only with the tie-ups instead of that. So if they are going to help you how to find a job by yourself, that will be more valid actually. So you can validate all these things, these 5 things, then only you can join. If the answer is different, like they are saying it's only records, maybe you can think on it. Only records will help who are already working in the similar kind of domain, just to want to upgrade a few more skills for them, it will help. But complete career transition or completely want to become a full-fledged IT kind of jobs, only records, I don't think it may help you. If it is a live classes, if it's online or offline, at least if it's live classes, you can able to interact with the trainer or mentor directly. Then only it will help you. Only going with the records, maybe it will be difficult. But who are already expert in that particular technology, they can. Example, you know Power BI already. Just you want to add a family concepts. You are already a data analyst, but you want to add some ADF concepts. You are already a data analyst, but you want to learn Fabric now. So those cases, even the records will help you because you are already working in the same domain and same technology. But complete career transition, it will be difficult. And another point will be duration. You have to be checked how many months of the duration they are taking the course. But nowadays, even I am just to fail to guide the people, they are asking about 30 days duration. So no course in KSR we can able to finish in 30 days and 45 days. All our courses also here at least 4 to 6 months. So 30 days no job guarantee. Within 30 days you are getting the job guarantee, in the sense it will be difficult. So don't accept those kind of things. It should be at least 5 to 6 months courses usually. Depends on the technology. I'm not going to be make it generalized. Usually depends on the course. Usually any data analytics course here 5 months. Data engineering courses around 5 to 6 months. Data science will be 6 months. So those kind of full stack developer, yes, 5 to 6 months. Only front end, only back end, maybe we can finish in 2.5 to 3 months. But complete course, it will take 6 months. 4 to 6 months will be the average course duration. If they are finishing in 25 days, we are finishing in 30 days means we have to think on it. Some more common mistakes. Choosing a course based on a friend suggestion, high salary like this, trending in the market like AI, NA, Agentic AI, ML. Right? So instead of that, choose the based on the role and clarity, like where you are comfortable, your learning capacity. If you are not interested at all to write in a single line of code, maybe we can avoid initially, but in long run, you have to find out a way how to learn properly. Right? So if you are not interested, maybe you can't digest that one. To get the interest, then you can able to happily, you can able to manage. If you still have any questions, like you are still confusion with how to choose a course, so you can approach our team. We are there to help you. So even I can able to take one-on-one session with you to choose a right course for you. And here another thing, package also matter. Example, your package is already 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs. Some courses may won't suit you even though you are not interested in towards that course. Example, data analytics or Power BI. If your package is already 25 lakhs, Power BI data analytics maybe won't suit you. Example, your package is already 25 to 30 lakhs, testing maybe won't suit you. You have to choose a better course. Every course have a saturation point. You have to find out the saturation point and which course suits you the best. You have to find out. So our team will be there to help you to choose a right course. Please approach our team. We are ready to help you. We are there to help you. We are there to guide you. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting these kind of concepts. We are going to be discuss all the things in the real time. So if you have any questions, you can approach our team. Thank you guys.